Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to type this symbol in MS Word. So very easy. Firstly, click on Insert. After click on Symbol, click on More Symbol. Type character code 00D9. Click on Insert. After click on Close. That is. So this is very simple. Firstly, click on Insert. After click on Symbol, click on More Symbol. Type character code 00D9. Click on Insert. Click on Close. That is. So guys, this is very easy and simple and quickly method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update. Techno Pro. Thank you for watching.